Welcome back to today's Platinum, guys. This is the third video in the new trading training series for trading that I'm doing. I just want to say first off that I am going to be going more in depth with trading in future videos and things like that, but I just don't want to, for those of you who are going to be upset that I haven't given away my full strategy. I'm profiting a ton every single day, and I created the course specifically and the group for people who want to invest in their education and become traders, full-time traders. And I would like to share my strategy with people who are willing to do that. So that's why I'm not going completely in depth with the exact strategy that I use, technical analysis and everything like that. My strategy involves fundamental analysis, technical analysis, as well as trading rules and different indicators. There's a lot that goes into it, and I'm not going to share the full strategy just right now. But if you guys do want to learn it, obviously the course is a viable option. So in this last video, I just want to go over how to make $100,000 in 3 months. And I know that's a bold claim, and I know probably you guys don't think that's even possible, but we're going to break it down with the numbers in a spreadsheet later on. But right now I want to focus on the exact steps you need to take in order to make this money every single day. So first off, you need to be trading almost every single day. You're not going to be able to make $100,000 just swing trading or long-term investing unless you get really lucky. So you need to be trading every day, and you need to be profiting at a certain point every single day, no matter what kind of market you're in. And just because you see over the last 24 hours that a bunch of coins have been down does not mean there are swings throughout the day that allow you to profit. So we'll jump into a trading view chart to show you that. But just because it's a bear market or something like that, people think you can't make money. I've been making about 5 to 10% over the last 3 months when I've really ramped up my trading strategy and put it all into place and systemized it all. And that was during one of the worst bull markets we've had, and I've been able to walk away with profits almost every single day. I think there were a couple days out of 3 months that I didn't profit, but only lost like 1%. And all the other days I was anywhere from 1% to I think 23% was my best day. So, guys, it's all in a system, and you need to leave it up to a strategy. So getting on with it, the first thing you need to do is find a coin that you want to trade. So there's a few ways to do it on CoinMarketCap. Sometimes I like looking at the 7-day area, the 24-hour area, or the 1-hour area. It really just depends. But a good thing to do is look for, a decrease in the price over the last 24 hours. And a slight increase over the last 1 hour. This could possibly signal a reversal soon or something like that. But you want to make sure the loss over the last 24 hours is pretty steep, just to make sure that it's oversold, hopefully. So Ontology looks pretty good. So now that we have a coin that we want to trade, we're going to jump into TradingView where we can check it out. So over in TradingView, just going to look at Ontology and go to the 1-day chart. So looks like over the last 1 day, this has been the price swing. So pretty crazy. But yeah, as you guys can see, just because it's going down, there are times where it jolts up and there are opportunities for profit. So just a few trades a day can average you anywhere from 5 to 10%. So right here would have been a perfect trade. Right about here, buy right there and sell right up there. It's gonna say failure just because I'm not close enough to the line. But yeah, guys, you get the point. There's a quick 1% trade right there. Massive overselling on the price. And guys, the RSI is not the only indicator I use. I'm going to wait a little while to show you guys some other indicators with some other trading videos, just because for those of you who want to join the trading group, the full strategy, I don't want to give that away for free just because it has worked so well. I mean, incredibly well for me. So right here would have been another trade. Actually, 2 trades pretty quickly. So right there, 1% trade. And right next to it, I'm just going to delete that one. So far we have 2%. So just keep that in mind, 2% already. in only a few hours, and right here also. So there's another trade, another, we'll just say 1.5. So we're now up to 3.5% in what? That was about 5 hours, 5-hour time span. Continuing on, these would have been perfect trades. Let's just say we get in here and up to there, bam. 3.39%, guys, and you could be done for the day if you really wanted to. Obviously, there are a ton of other trades available, so 3.3 plus 3.5, yeah, you're doing pretty well. So, you know, guys, the big thing is that you just want to be profiting a little bit, just enough every day so that it compounds continuously for a while. I mean, right here, even we could have gotten a quick 1% gain, and I wouldn't have sold just because it went down right after, because with the indicators that I use, not just the RSI, I know that the bullish movement will continue eventually and will allow me to profit. And even if I didn't, I would have the systems in place in order to take the next step to cutting my losses. So guys, it's really that simple. You need to find a coin that you want to trade that day off of specific indicators that you're looking for. I just gave you guys a pretty quick one. That's a great way to do it. Pretty large decrease over the last 24 hours, and he's, you know, kind of right near 0% over the last 1 hour, hopefully signaling some upward bullish movement. And guys, no matter what these signals say, there is always chance to profit with every single coin every single day. It's just that there are certain coins that are a lot easier to profit with, and you know, you can't really do anything about that. But in the trading group and the course, I do go over the exact type of cryptocurrency, and I give you a full list of coins that you should be trading every single day. These coins, I mean, are super easy to profit with. So I just want to break down the numbers for you guys now. You know, in 3 months, $100,000 seems pretty crazy, but I just need you guys to start with at least $1,000. We'll try to look at 100 after this, but start with 1,000, and you need to be getting, let's just say we get 5% a day, right? Even though, you know, just in a few, 8 hours, we just got like 7%, I think. So 5% a day over 30 days, that's going to be $4,116. All right, so we now have $4,000. So you quadrupled your money basically. So now you have $4,000 to trade with. So let's say you do that again, right? You now have $4,000 instead of 1,000, and you're just going to do it again with all four. So say you get 5% a day with $4,000, and you're now going to end up with this number times 4. So that would be $16,000 is going to be the amount you have. Now you're at the end of the 2 months, right? Once you're at the end of the 2 months, we're going to start trading pretty big. So let's look for $5,000. We want to get 5% per day. And, after 30 days, you're going to end up with 20,000 in profit. So you now have, about $35,000. But that is, base 5% a day. Okay. Once you get that $1,000, we were pretty conservative, right? We said, $1,000, 5% a day, and that we were just going to trade with $1,000 continuously. Split this 4,000 up into 4 sets of $1,000 and trade with that. But once you get to this $4,000 mark at the 30 days, this is what I want you to do. I want you to split it up into two pairs of $2,000. And now we're at the second month, right? Getting 5% a day. At the end of the 30 days, we have $8,232. So why don't you split that up into 4,000 each? 4,000, we are going to end up with 16,000 profit. So guys, this isn't $100,000, but that's just because we are doing the 5% per day. With I get about probably anywhere from 30 to 45 days of 10% per day. So let's just say, when we have that $4,000, we finally start to get 10% per day. So you're now at $63,000 after that time period. Plus, with all the money you already made, you should be, pretty close to that 100,000 mark. The thing that's going to push you over the edge to get you to 100,000 in 3 months is, like I said, the strategy that we go in depth in the course, because That strategy has allowed me to profit sometimes 23% in one day, and with swing trades combined into it, I profit about 15% every week off of at least one swing trade. So, let's just start this over, right? We're at $1,000 every day, right? We have $1,000 and we're starting off as a trader. We want to do 10% per day with this strategy, and anywhere from 5 to 10% per day. And let's just say we do, right? We get $15,000 after about 30 days. So let's split this up into $5,000, three sets of $5,000, and we can break this down back to just 5% a day, even though you're going to end up with more. And let's do it for the last 2 months, right? So we just spent a month basically going over the strategy, right? You're learning the strategy. With that $1,000, you're getting 10% per day in 30 days, and you end up with that $15,000. Guys, this might take you a little longer than 3 months, maybe 5, maybe 6. But the thing is, you're making a ton of money trading cryptocurrency, and it's something I enjoy, and I hope you guys do too. So over about the next 60 days, so you're at the 3-month period now, you have about $88,000, almost $90,000. So you're really close, guys. But that is with the bare minimum. I mean, there's days when I get 23%, when I get 15% a few days in a row. There's days where I get 10% per day for 30 days straight. It really just depends on how much time you have to trade, and also your attentiveness when you are trading. So, these are the numbers, guys. It is possible, and like I just showed you, if you just have your computer on to set the alerts, or if you are in a private trading group, like the trading group that you get when you join the course, I will be sending out alerts every single day, alerting you guys what coins to trade and what prices to get in at and everything like that. So definitely check out that course, because there's a ton of value in it. It's going to help you guys out a ton. I already know it. So, and I'm really looking forward to getting to form a community and talk to other people who are interested in the same thing that I'm in, which is investing and trading cryptocurrency. And, I'm interested in a lot of other stuff, which is going to be coming in the coming months, online business, everything like that. But just wanted to show you guys, people probably hate when I say it's a simple way to make $100,000 in 3 months. But, to me, it's the most simple way you can possibly have to make $100,000 in, 3 to 4 months. I mean, you're trading money on your computer. You're hardly doing any work. You're following a strategy that I'm giving you in the course to make, that much money. You guys want to be at, $100,000 a month, a month eventually. You're going to need to rack up your investment capital, and the only way to do that is day trade with a reliable strategy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and the rest of the little training course I put together. I try to just show you guys that it is possible and a few of the ways that you can go about it. But guys, like I said, I can't give away everything for free. I'm trying to form a very small community of like-minded traders. So I hope to see you guys over there, for those of you who decide to take up on that offer. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, but that's going to be all for today. If you like this video, feel free to leave a like, and make sure you subscribe for more content on trading and cryptocurrency. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.